My bob is bobbing. Bobbiana. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I make videos for the girls that don't really know what they're doing with their hair, but we're gonna figure it out. My channel is full of love, positivity, and a little bit of struggle because I do not know what I'm doing. I make beginner-friendly hair videos because I'm a beginner myself. So let's just jump right into the video. You're gonna part from ear to ear. This video will be a front view only video because for some reason I struggled with my mirror placement and I could not figure out how to film the back of my head. It just looked all crazy, so I took that part out. I'm gonna start with my baby hair. I have a million videos with my baby hair, but I'll put the primary video in the corner if you have any questions. If you're not a baby hair girl, that's fine. Just go ahead and skip through this part. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm doing my dominant parting. This is where I will want the twist to lay, and I wanted a side part for my bob, so that's why I did it on the side, but you can put this part wherever you please. Now that that's clipped up, I'm doing the sectioning. This is for my first twist on the side. I do not know how to part. If you're new here, you're gonna figure that out very quickly. I suck at parting. But if you're subscribed, girl, you already know. So now basically you're gonna part your section off. Add edge control. You're gonna need a very thick edge control. This is something I figured out along the way. Something very sturdy, like nothing lightweight. You're gonna need a thick edge control. You're gonna part your section into two parts. Add more edge control. And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna flat twist. Twist and just grab the hair as you're twisting and twist inward. Go ahead and clip that off once you're done. Now twist the other side, same way, twist, grab hair, twist, grab hair, and you're gonna twist inward. And once you're done, go ahead and clip that off. So with this method, I twisted the natural hair one twist, and then I added the kinky hair. And I started to twist. But what I noticed with this method is that the twist wasn't really invisible. I could see exactly where I added the hair at. And up until this point, this is how I've been doing all my twists. But once I realized that that's what was happening, I decided to try a new method. So with this one, you're pretty much going to do the same thing. Make sure you add lots of edge control. Twist, grab hair, twist, grab hair, twist, grab hair. Go ahead and clip that hair off. twist, grab hair, twist, grab hair, twist, grab hair. Now basically what I'm showing you right here is what have happened this entire time. Like sometimes the hair just wasn't twisting like I wanted it to, and I'd have to start over, or I have to like retwist the flat twist. And this is me just showing you like I really did struggle with this hairstyle, but I figured it out. And baby, you will too. Like with any hairstyle, like nothing is easy, and I feel like these YouTubers don't show you the struggle, baby. I'm going to show you the struggle. But I'm also going to show you how I figured it out. Because look, I'm putting the hair back in the twist. What I'm doing this time is I'm not twisting my natural hair first. I'm adding the kinky hair to my twist. Kind of like seamless twist. Like I'm twisting it, and then I'm going to twist it together. I didn't twist the natural hair first. I added the kinky, and then I started twisting. And look, boom, I figured it out. And then also what I noticed about this method, this would be called method 2. The twist is a lot tighter. The twist is more invisible. It looks a lot more natural. And basically it's a lot easier to do. But there are 2 methods you can do with this hair, and I just wanted to show you both. So that's why I left that part in the video. Now we're on the other side of my hair, and we're going to section off the original block of the hair that we're going to twist. And then we're going to section that block into 2 parts so we can do our 2 flat twists. Make sure you use lots of edge control, I'm telling you, because with these flat twists, it's nothing really keeping it twisted. There's no rubber bands, there's no clips, there's nothing. Nothing's crocheted in. It's no braid, it's just a twist. So use a really thick edge control to hold these twists together. Ignore my daughter, y'all. Her spidey senses went off once I started doing something, and she decided to come talk to me at the worst possible time. So now what you're going to do is the same thing. This is the front. So try to make it as smooth and neat as possible. This is the part that people actually see, girl. Part it in the middle into 2 sections. Clip that section off, twist inward. I wanted my hair to kind of fall in my face. So what I'm doing is I'm twisting inward like I did all the other ones. But on my second half, I'm going to twist inward as well. But once I add the hair, what I'm doing is I'm twisting a little towards my face, so it'll fall directly into my face to create that bob effect. And it's easier if you do 2 twists inward. Don't do 1 twist inward, 1 twist outward. It's a lot easier. This is also something that I figured out along the way. Both twists should be inward and you'll move a lot quicker. It'll look a lot neater and it's better that way. Like I said, this twist will fall into my face, so you see me pulling it forward. Also, I want to say, if you're not subscribed, please press subscribe right now. It helps my channel out so much. It also helps me continue to create and make videos for you guys. I appreciate it. Also, like the video and comment if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment, so if you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment below and I will help you to my best ability. So the look I was going for is Callie. I think Callie is so gorgeous. I'm currently obsessed with her. And I just wanted my hair to be in that really cute lock bob that she always wears without getting the locks. So that's the look that was supposed to happen, but not quite. I feel like my hair is still giving twists, but it's perfectly okay. So what I'm doing is I'm wrapping the twist up into the bob, and I also put her picture right here so you guys can kind of see what I'm going for. And I wrapped it up. I used the rubber band, and I'm just showing you how I secured the lock bob. Bob looks a little flimsy right now, but I did fix it off camera so you guys will see the finished look, but this is not how long I decided to keep the bob. I also would like to add that the hairstyle is very lightweight. It's very breathable. Like if you work in high temps or if you live in a high temp area and you want a hairstyle that's very light and easy to do, well, it's not really easy, but it doesn't take long to do. I would suggest this hairstyle. I just wanted to add that because a lot of my friends kept asking, is it heavy? Is it heavy? And it's not heavy at all. It's very light. It basically felt like I was wearing my hair down. And it lasted me for about 2.5 weeks. But if you can tell, my hair is a little bit on the finer side. So twists don't last in my hair as long as it would if someone had curlier hair than me. Alright girls, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think, how you feel. I feel cute because baby, I almost forgot to film the ending part because I was so busy on Instagram taking pictures of myself. Let me give you the rundown on this look. So this look looked nothing like what I wanted it to. It definitely didn't work out how I thought it would. But it's so cute. I'm like, okay. Like, at first I'm like, I had to send a picture to my friends. Like, y'all, this don't look like woo. That do not look like locks, sis. That looks like twists. But whatever. You live and you learn. So I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute and so different. I've never done nothing like this before, guys. And I'm just really proud of myself. It was such a struggle in the beginning. And I just kept going. I kept going. I kept going. And yeah, it didn't turn out how I wanted it to, but it's still really cute. And that's just to send you guys the message of all my girls that have no clue what you're doing. Just keep going. It's going to be cute regardless. Like, we don't give up over here. We don't do that over here. We just keep moving, and whatever happens, we make it work. And I do believe this is my first hairstyle that I tried and failed with, but did I really fail? Is it really a failure because I look so cute? Okay then. So yeah, this is it. I know I'm so giddy, y'all. I feel so cute. That's why. You know when you feel cute, you like a whole different person. That's me right now, because this was not the energy I was giving earlier today when I was looking crusted and busted. Okay, that was not me. This is a whole new Mia. This is pretty Mia, pretty ass Mia. You're doing something, sis. Y'all see the movement? Oh, and then that was another thing. Let me tell y'all. I only seen like pictures of dreads with their hair like this, and I'm like, I can do that. And then I seen the invisible lock look, and I was like, okay, but I don't really want it like that. I wanted more of like a flat twist. But the thing about the invisible locks, I always seen pictures. I've never seen videos. So I was so like unsure of like the movement. Like, is the bob gonna bob? You know, like it kind of looks stiff. Be honest. The pics look stiff. So I was a little nervous, but like my bob is bobbing. Bobbiana. All right, but yeah. Finish touch. I'll do one more spin for y'all. Yeah, yeah, that bitch. Yeah, 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 that bitch. Yeah. I love you guys. If you're not subscribed already, please press subscribe. Oh my gosh, it will help my channel out so much, and it helps me continue to create. If you are subscribed, I love you so much, and I just don't think you guys understand how much I appreciate, and I love you guys. Okay, so catch you guys later. Bye. Baby, you don't know.